Hello and welcome back. I'm your friendly neighborhood technician, and today a few of you have been inquiring over a price breakdown video, stuff like that. So I was able to calculate all my receipts, and I was able to figure out how much it costs, parts, stuff like that. So including the car, including the used engine that I had to buy, total I'm in that about $8,000. So it's probably about 5,500 of that is parts from the dealership. Now you will remember that I had to go through and pretty much replace almost everything on that used engine, down to the head gaskets and stuff like that. But I did replace everything that I removed basically. So, timing chain guides. I even had to get the new armatures for the cam adjusters as well. I even got new cam adjusters. So that was the bulk of the cost on that. Now you got to remember that I do work at a dealership, so my cost for parts is significantly lower than somebody going in and paying retail for parts. So you're probably going to want to add on about maybe 50 to 75% more of the parts cost to get a realistic price for how much it would cost to do exactly everything that I did. I mean, depending on your market, depending on where you are, which dealership you go to, stuff like that, could change the price of that a little bit. Not too much, but so yeah, that's pretty much how much it costs for every single little piece. That's including getting an exhaust put on it and the few aftermarket accessories that I got on the outside of the engine, such as the belt tensioner, the motor mounts, and the fan clutch, which is no longer available. So then also did the flex discs, both flex discs for the drive shaft. I do have one to still put on, so I will put the video on installing flex disc. But that's pretty much it. So I'm going to keep working on it. I do have a couple other things in mind that I'm going to do to it still. So I'll see you then. Thank you for watching.